Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So, new space, new digs. My son's old room, empty nest move. We're moving into this room right here. Sounds echoey, but we'll kind of fix that once we move in. A little bit more space to deal with here. Hopefully enough space to put a new machine in. That'd be awesome, huh? So I figure maybe I'll leave it to you guys. I'm not a design guy. I like to throw hand grenades, okay? I don't know what we're gonna do here, but we're gonna do something. We painted already. I'm happy we're moving in, okay? So next time you see me, we'll have some stuff in here. All right. So we're in our new room. We got the new look here. Got paint on the walls, a larger space. So I figured I'd try to finish my tabletop. You know, I've always procrastinated on it. I've never finished it. I thought I was just rocking and rolling with just a plain old tabletop. So I figured I'd finish my tabletop. So we went to Walmart, and we got some of this peel and stick flooring, right? So I figured I'd put some of this on. Well, let me rephrase that. We're gonna try to put some of this on the tabletop here. It's that peel and stick stuff, and we like that look. So we're gonna see what it looks like on the table, okay? And if we don't like it, it's gonna be going back to Walmart, okay? But I'm kind of digging that look a little bit, okay? So this is a 12 by 24, and it's like 15 of them, right? Big, something like that. Yeah, these look pretty cool, right? Oh, it's not bad. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Look at that. So maybe we should try this one. Oh, nice, even better. Look at the brain on the white. That's damaged. Try that. Oh man, all right, yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Just kind of lay it out, just like a quilt, like our quilt block. Take a look at it first before we sew it together. Oh yeah, it's clean. I think that would come out really good, guys. I do. I'm gonna leave. Doesn't have. So on my table, I don't need it to be perfectly to the end because my ironing board is going to be on that end. So I'm not worried about that. I don't want to buy 2 packs and then have like 900 pieces left over. But see how it's coming together though, huh? Not a bad look. Not a bad look at all. I'm digging that. Man, I'm digging that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I guess I'm going to peel it and stick it. Right? That's what you do. Seems pretty cool. And I should have, like this one has 2. So I might be able to trim this down. Maybe cut it in half to fit it along here. And we're in business. It looks good enough for government work to me. All right, so look, when we come back, you'll probably see this thing like put together, and we'll go forward from there with the new look in the new room. All right, so we got our top on. I put like a little mold on the edge, and I think it came out pretty good. Look at that. It's not bad, right? Not bad for a guy who's not a carpenter. All right, I'm a quilter, not a carpenter. So we just put the mold on. Put our little peeling tape, peeling stick, yeah, for floors. But we put it on the tabletop. Not bad, right? So now I need to just finish off the room. We'll continue putting together our room, and we will be done. So I'm happy with it. Very happy with it. What we'll do is probably put like I'll probably build a little stand for my thread, and my rulers and cutters and stuff, because I don't want to mount anything on the wall. No more wall mounting, okay? Wall mounting is nothing but a pain in the butt when you got to clean it up. All right, but we're moving along, so hopefully shortly you'll see some quilt along. All right, we'll be able to film a quilt along, and that'll be pretty fun. I think I'm looking forward to that. All right, we got the equipment, and we're going to be moving along. So we're going to build a quilt from beginning to end, no blocks. Okay. So thanks for watching. All right. We're still building our new digs, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.